Ready to capture breathtaking photos like these? Welcome back to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Every session we refine your skills in lighting, posing, camera settings and editing to help you capture the essence of boudoir photography. Let's jump right in. Today's pose is a stunning kneeling pose that playfully emphasizes our model's bum and back, radiating a lot of sensuality and femininity. We like to start the shoot with this pose as it requires a fair amount of thigh strength and not every model or client has the energy for it at the end of a session. The setup is straightforward. We place our couch in front of the window and ask our model to kneel on it, facing away from us. To ensure comfort, we start by having her sit back on her heels without pushing up too soon. The key aspect of this pose involves slightly lifting the pelvis just a few inches or centimeters and rotating the hips backward as much as possible while keeping the upper body upright and straight. We enhance the look by asking her to run her hands through her long, curly hair, adding to the allure. Camera settings, since we work with side lighting and want to protect the white points in the image, the aperture is set at f2.8, shutter speed is 1/20 of a second and the ISO is set at 100. Master the art of boudoir photography with our free posing guide. Download our app now and get access to exclusive posing tips and tricks. Your journey to stunning photos begins here. Photo editing starts by adjusting the white balance and the exposure before choosing a visual style. As you might already know, I love using one of our beautiful presets from the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack, now also available in our app, to help you create stunningly sensual boudoir and portrait photos effortlessly. To further enhance our model's body and focus on the highlights and shadows, I opt for a black and white look this time. If the image isn't bright enough, I adjust the exposure up by a full stop. To achieve the necessary contrast, I then reduce the shadows by 25. The cropping and upright adjustments are the final steps. And just like that, our breathtakingly beautiful boudoir photo is ready. Always a wow moment when I show our models and client the image in the camera. I hope you enjoyed this episode of 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Be sure to join us next week for more great tips. Can't wait? Watch this video next. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more updates.